So in this video, we will show you something different, a project for a modular sea village with unique organic character, equal views towards the sea, and even an entire forest inside the village. But how do you make buildings that are both concave and modular? And how do you fit an entire forest within a modular coastal environment? Hi, my name is Encho. I'm an architecture graduate and content creator. In this video, I want to show you my view of a very promising project by Arrogant Architects. Arrogant Architects is a team of passionate professionals located in Sofia, Bulgaria. But before we get to the project, I want to tell you a story of a modular building that went horribly wrong. This is the Naga King Capsule Tower in Tokyo, built in the 70s. It represented a vision of the future, but also some of the downsides of early modular construction. The box-alike capsules you see were actually disposable apartments, tiny with limited natural light and basic amenities. But moving to the present day, technologies have improved, right? Well, yes. Module size, hygiene, and durability has improved, but the problem remains the same. Modular design, by its essence, it's bound to be repetitive, generic, and boring. We need to take another step towards modular design that makes it more versatile, that makes it feel more natural and alive. So now we can talk about our project. Foros, the name of the Seavillage project, is located in Burgas, Bulgaria. It challenges the typical modular aesthetic with curvy, organic shapes, a reminder of the sea surrounding it. But how is it possible to make modular buildings with a concave character? That's pretty contradictory. Before we figure this out, we have to address the conditions of the project. The Seavillage consists of these residence groups. As you can see, they're located at the periphery of the island. They're slightly pushed out, leaving enough space for this massive green heart in the middle of the village. A forest, yes, but also a community park, a wildlife corridor that breathes life to the entirety of the village. And nearly 90% of the village is covered in green spaces, green roofs, and the entirety of the forest is what really makes you feel like part of the natural environment. Additionally, each residence group within the village consists of common spaces for people to gather and enjoy. This is crucial for creating strong community ties and a sense of unity within the village. But to truly experience this village and feel its beating pulse, the neighborhood groups need a connection. Think of the alleys as the veins of the village. You've got these straightforward ones that lead directly where you want to go, but to the periphery, on the other side, you've got these curvaceous, beautiful paths hugging the beach, some of them even stretching over the sea. However, these over-the-sea alleys, in particular, aren't just for the show. They're actually breakwaters. They reduce significantly the impact of waves, thus protecting the entirety of the coastline. We analyzed the conditions of the project to predetermine that such beautiful organic curves, it wouldn't be suitable to place typical cubicle buildings. We would rather use concave design that is both aesthetically pleasing, cheap, and efficient. Sustainable as well. We wouldn't skip that part. So, how do we make a modular design that is concave as well? Here's the trick. This is the floor plan of a single module. It has a view towards the forest on one side and a view towards the sea on the other. We multiply this module vertically in a slight diagonal incline to make it more aesthetically pleasing. This vertical module that consists of 4 to 5 single module apartments, we multiply horizontally, and with each multiplication, we rotate it slightly. This is what creates the curvy outline of the buildings in the Seavillage. It's a modular design that truly fits and feels like part of this beautiful natural environment, like a part of the curvy shapes of the coastline in the village. We hope to attract like-minded people in order to make projects like Forus come to life. Preserving the sea is great, but can we do the same for rivers? We have another project that turned an old industrial zone into an industrial park by the river.